Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a SuccessFactors or a SAP account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to sign up for a SAP or a SuccessFactors account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address sap.com to go to the official homepage of SuccessFactors. And over here guys, this is the home page of SAP or the Success Factors. Let's click on understood for the cookies, and at the top right corner of the screen guys, let's wait for it to load again. You can see the person with the logon icon over here, you can see, and there are three processes to create your account. You can see over here, or if you have already created a SAP or a SuccessFactor account, if you want to just log into your account, simply click on login button available over here. With that being said guys, let's close this for a moment, and you can also register for account from over here. This is for the purpose of showing you the registration buttons available for us, and click on register now. And you can see guys, you will be able to sign up from over here as same as the top right corner of the button. So it's going to go just to this and let's close this, and over here let's enter our credentials guys, like the business email address you're going to use the services of the SAP or the SuccessFactors from your computer. And after that, after entering your email address, enter your first name, your last name, your company name guys, and after that select the country of your region where you are currently living, and after that enter your phone number and choose the department on which you are, you can see. And let's just go with the editorial one and your relation to SAP. I'm just going to the SAP or the student, or if you are employee you can go to the employee, and different options available are given by the SAP or the Success Factors. With that being said guys, let's click on this SAP employee just for the demo, and you can see by checking these respective channels below, I agree that my contact just can be used by SAP to send more news about SAP products and services. If you want to get those notifications, click on email and phone. If you don't want to get the notification about the products of the SAP, simply uncheck them, but you will have to check the box saying I have read and understood the terms and conditions of the sap.com. And that being done guys, after entering all of your credentials over here, click on submit, and then you will have signed up for a SAP account from over here. But as you can see on the top of the screen, there is the verify your email button available for that. After you click on submit, you'll be taken to another page where it shows you a success of creating a SAP account. And over here you can see the verify your email, which means that the email you entered over here on the business email address, you will have to go to that email address of yours, and on that email address a mail or the verification mail will be sent to you by the SAP or SuccessFactors. You will have to open that mail and click on the verification link provided by this website, and after you have clicked on that verification mail, and your account will be verified, and then you'll be able to use all of the resources provided by the SAP or SuccessFactors. And with that being said guys, this is how you sign up for a SAP or SuccessFactors account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.